First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Now, let's navigate to Settings on the left-hand menu. Click on Reading. Here, you'll find options for your homepage displays. The default setting is Your Latest Posts, which displays your most recent blog posts on the homepage. For a custom homepage, choose a static page. Then, select a page you've already created as your homepage. Don't forget to choose a separate page for your blog posts if you have one. Finally, click Save Changes at the bottom. And there you have it. Your homepage is now set to impress visitors with your selected content.